Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí orí ìkànnì oríṣiríṣi fídíò wọn lẹ́ẹ̀ tó máa play fún yín. Fídíò kan ló ń lọ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi, a sì máa play fún yín níbi tí ẹni tẹ́rí nínú fídíò ó jáde, ó sọ oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀, ó tún pẹ́ẹ́pẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ àṣírí ẹ ti mọ̀ pé táwa ṣe ń ṣe bí pé tí àwa kò bá rí àwa kì í sọ ìtọ́ bá wá sí bí láti wá sọ ajé ká ṣe wá dáadáa lórí ẹ̀ kí a tó wá sọ tó bá dé kégbà àkọ́kọ́ ni ẹ̀dá àkùnmá lórí ìkànnì. Ẹ like, comment, subscribe, kẹ́ share àwọn fídíò àkẹ́bàlì bàjẹ́ gbádùn àwọn content báyìí tó bá fi síta ní orí ìkànnì. Owó ká má fi ọ̀pá pọ̀lọ̀pọ̀lọ̀, ká má fi pẹ́ jù, ká má fi àkókò ṣòro, ẹ ká tó ojú abẹ́ ń kù.
That's what God will judge. You know, there's this Yoruba saying that tutọ́ funfun síta fi ẹ̀jẹ̀ sí inú, or can you understand? You know, not by saying it, but sometimes what you're doing in the secret that God sees, that's what God will judge. You see good things, admire it. Admire it. Tell God this thing, you like it. You love it. Applaud the people doing it. I am ashamed of many of you adults. Especially, I don't know, it's because I see Yoruba people. You know? It's because I see Yoruba people. I'm ashamed of many of you. And you know what? You people, especially all these fans, you, all these useless fans, you people are the cause of all the... Hello, I'm on the phone, please. You people you are the cause of all these hiccups, differences that, you know, between all these celebrities. You, all these useless fans. I can see many of you comparing JP 2025 and Fidiyo 2025 at it to 2024 at it to 2025. Why the comparison? Why are you people sick when many of you don't have joy? Many of you don't have joy. Your children, you have not spent money on your children so that you people will come and give us. The people that have spent money on their children, wọ́n rán àwọn ọmọ wọn lọ léèwé, wọ́n yanjú nínú education, wọ́n ṣe rere láyé, wọ́n ṣe wedding lálárédè àti alárúbọ. And the only thing many of you can do is to be saying, comparing, and that's how you people start enmity. That's how you people build. This is the reason why many of these people, Yabo Ojo and Co, she should be, and even Davido, is these fans that cause problem between him, Davido and Burna Boy. It is these fans, these useless people that cause problem between him and Wizkid. I don't get you people. Yabo should just check her fans too. You people are just, many of you, your children, bring them out. Even your own wedding, bring it out. Let us see. People will do wedding. Mothers, fathers, their children will wed. Àwọn ọmọ aláyọ̀, àwọn ọmọ olóríire. The next thing you people will be doing is to be comparing. Who made you the judge over their wedding? The money that those kids have, many of you judging the matter. You don't have it, your children don't have it. You don't have it, your children don't have it. And you are not thinking, your head is not correct to think that, why am I putting salt and pepper into other people's home and causing unnecessary battle, causing unnecessary discord? I see Yoruba people, many of them, a lot of them, their children are as useless as them. You see Yabo's children, see Davido. A lot of them, they didn't allow us enjoy that moment. you don't have your children are not the ones doing the wedding. You don't have money like all these people. Your mothers, your parents also, they didn't do wedding as good as this one. Why are you people comparing young children, people that's how they lied. They lied that Davido has unfollowed Yabo. There's Kinikon. It's all these fans, all these poppers, because look at it from motherhood, fatherhood. How can you sit down and start to compare another person's children or child with another person's child? Why can't you bring out your own children? Why can't you do party for your children and tell people to be comparing them in your family? With all the money those Davido, JPO, with all the money they spent, bring out your children. Let us see how they look. Let's see if they can beat any of those brides or any of those grooms. Why are you people like that? Why? It's bothersome for me, because I see the Yorubas, Agbayas, women, mothers, grandmas, useless people. Why don't you people want rest for Iyabo Ojo? If you people are doing that, Kinikon JP is better, Kinikon is Kinikon, don't you people think that Davido's fans too, the ones that are senseless, that we answer you people, those ones too will start? That's how you people do, and it will be assumed that it is Iyabo or those people sending them out. They won't know that it's many of you that have no future. People here any future. Emma bo àwọn ọmọ lọ́mọ, Emma compare me wa àwọn ọmọ tí wo ṣe fi yan gan. Bring out your children. Show us your children that have wedded, that God gave men like those boys that did wedding, or brides like just bring out your children. Why not use your children and be doing this useless comparison? This is how you people cause problem between all these children. The life you people are living, that have brought your life to this stage, you want to extend it to this level. If I have my way to speak to all these children, especially even their parents, Iyabo, because you are more, into social media, go and talk. Those your fans that are doing all this comparison, disassociate yourself from them. Disassociate yourself from them. There's no reason for any hate. There is no reason for any hate. There's no reason for it. There's no single reason for it. For that comparison, there's no reason. In every way, in everything, all of you comparing those children, your children, they can't even be their house girl or house help. I am ashamed of many of you. If you have children that are good, you won't compare those children. If you have children that you are proud of, you won't compare those children. If you have done good things in your life, that God have looked at you and given you good things, you will never compare those children. You won't, because there's no reason for it. This is how you people cause altercation, you cause malice, you cause nonsense in the society. This is how you people, since the day this boy, he has started his wedding, Davido. See how you people are disgracing yourself. The children you people are talking about, June and what's our daughter's name? Prissy. She will they send Una. They send Una on one of the one they did in Tanzania. I remember that Iyabo had to tell our daughter Prissy that she should calm down. That was when people noticed that it seemed like she's pregnant. If those that took note, you know, some of us can look finny, we can look fitty. Some people took note of it that Iyabo told her when she was about jumping. They played Davido's song. Davido's uncle was at their wedding. Governor Adeleke. Ẹ̀yin aláìlójútì, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ wá ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìrankíran. Ẹ̀yin àgbà òfò. Davido's uncle was at their wedding. When he entered the wedding, come and see the joy on Prissy's face and Jum's face. They were happy. Iyabo Ojo was at Chivido last year. Abi, wasn't it at that party that VDM now came out and said insulting all of them? Can't you remember that they told him to stop? That Pascal Chief Priest Kubana told him to stop. That he was insulting guests, that he shouldn't insult guests that came for. Iyabo Ojo got invitation. She and Prissy, they were at the wedding. Why are you people like this? Why are you people like this? Who bettered you people? Ta ló bí ẹ̀yin èèyàn kéèyàn yìí? Ta ló bí yín? Why are you people causing enmity? Why are you fanning amber of discord? Why are you comparing those children? Why? What is the comparison for? They both wedding, talk of town. We still dey wait for you people where they compare. Come and bring your children. Bring your children. Or show us your own wedding photo. Did it make history? You people comparing. Did your weddings, did it make history? Your parents, yala yanishe wedding won't make history. What those children, both sides, at JPO, at Shivit, what they did, the money they spent, the money their parents spent, the crowd they pulled, can you people comparing them, can your generation to come pull that crowd? Why are you people trying to, you don't even want to give Iyabo Ojo rest of mind. Neither do you fans of Davido, which I will not lie, I'm yet to see many of Davido's fans responding. But with the way it's going, it may lead to that. And I will expect you people are all crazy to even respond to these senseless people. These are the same people fueling amber of discord in Iyabo just like that are giving that lady unrest. All these stupid people doing this thing. If you see really Iyabo Ojo's fans, they will never look for anything that will give her unrest. They are the same people that say spreading lies. That Davido have unfollowed Iyabo. All those things is all lies. It's all lies. Did they follow themselves in the first place? That's what many of you should ask. All these people foiling all these things. What is the, you people sit and think of it. What could be the reason? What could be the reason that you will look at people's children that have done big things? Okay, Otedola's child, Temi, she too wedded on the same day as Davido. But they did their own in Iceland. And they are more of private people. Some of you again were still comparing. Hey, how can Davido spend that much money? What is it your money? Is it your money? Is it somebody that costs you people? Is it Davido that is the cause of poverty in your lineage? How can you tell people, rich people, or person wey get the money say na so you go spend. If they want to do wedding 4 million times, if you they didn't even kuku invite you, if you can't look, change the channel. That's why we have CNN, we have in fact, if you don't even want to watch it, go on Netflix if you can afford it. And I know people like you can't even afford it. You are only on social media to cause problem, to cause discord. That's why you people were comparing Davido's wedding to Temi or $10 wedding, married to singer Easy. Why? Some you all those Prissy, which I know is not Prissy's fans, one lie, no more money. It's not Prissy's fans, so because that girl, she's gentle. She's gentle. It's all these Yoruba people that are Yabo's fans. That girl, that omomi Prissy, one lie, the girl just doing her own life. I just really pray Yabo can see as these people, they don't want to give their family or rest of mind. What is the comparison for? Bring out yourself, your own wedding. Bring it out. Let us just say the one you have done for yourself or your children. That's the one we would love to compare with Davido's son or JP's son. Why are you comparing àwọn ọmọ olówó, àwọn ọmọ olóríire, àwọn ọmọ tó kàwé tí wọ́n yàn, tí wọ́n yanjú, tí wọ́n fi limousine, tí wọ́n fi ń gbéra wọn, tí wọ́n ṣe wedding by, tí wọ́n wọ shop kabiti, tí wọ́n ṣe nǹkan rere, tí wọ́n ti bímọ táyé wọn dá. Ẹ ń compare wọn, ayé tí yín ò jùnà, ayé yín rún jẹ́gẹ́, ayé yín ò dá. Ẹ̀yin àgbàyà òfò, àgbà òfò, àgbà rádaràda. Why do you people want rest for Yabo? Even Davido, these same fans, they are the cause of it. They will abuse Burna Boy, just causing problem for these people. Why? Now you people want to turn Davido and Iyabo, you want to turn them to enemies. You want to turn them to enemies. Why? You want to turn Prissy and Davido's wedding, you want to turn it to competition. Who sent you now? Who told you people that we that are normal, the people that are sane, all we see here is marriage. Àwọn ọmọ wa making us proud. Nígbà tó yẹ kó lọ́kọ, wọ́n ní ọkọ. When they are supposed to go to school, they went to school. When they are supposed to marry, they married. When they are supposed to get pregnant, they got pregnant. And their husbands, the girls now, the men that betrothed them, didn't just carry them as take away. Decided to wed them. They do wedding so they carry and go Miami, they carry and go Tanzania. They do wedding. They just to show us that what this our daughters we are giving, they are taking from us, they will spend anything to have them as their wife. What is you people's problem? With who? Okay. I'm on the phone, that's why I can't talk now. Yeah, you people, all what you want it to do is to cause trouble. Why? I can't. You people didn't even allow me to go any. As I'm watching all those videos of this latest one during Iyabo's daughter's wedding, the same way we were happy. In fact, that day, after Davido's wedding, all of us were like, this party sweet. Oh, Davido's one was last year. This wedding. So when JP then did their, we were too happy. Happiness wanted to wound us. It was too much. In fact, I can't lie to you people. That wedding is what made me start liking Iyabo more than, I just like her as a celebrity. You understand? In fact, that wedding, if people remember, if you all remember, before that wedding, she was with Team or she is with Team Wunmi. Me, I was with that Joe Frame. That Joe Frame. You understand? So there was even if I am to look at it from the perspective of I'm doing justice for Mohbad, she's with Wunmi, I will no. When I saw the beauty of I saw the beauty of our children doing good things. My joy overflow. I couldn't. I was celebrating them as they are coming like this. I was happy. When I saw tears, I cried. When I saw joy, I laughed. When I saw Yabo, body chemistry, I shared. I was just happy. In fact, I had to come and use her to compare. Not on bad note, so we talk about Alabi and say, the way Yabo handled matter is Christ-like. If you all remember, I couldn't hold back. It's not for anything. I had to write. I said, hey, this one, Irebaya carry. There's nothing as good as a mother. Choma's mother, Yabo as a mother, seeing their children marrying men that cherish them. Did you people see it? Abiojuyi or blinding? You are supposed to be looking at the nitty-gritty of how those children's journey is, and you should be applauding the good things you are seeing there. And if you are senseless enough not to know that if your children are yet to wed, even if they are wedded, your lineage income, you should look at the good things there and say, Father Lord, I'm happy for these people. God will know. You are not that you will not be trying to seek to cause discord between these children. I shared Shege Bastard in all those videos. In fact, Facebook, they said tagging me for copyright. You know, some of these videos you will see it with all this ohun UK, all these people very wicked, you understand, event bloggers. They were flagging they were flagging it. It's their own. Some of them they didn't invite them there, but matter. So all those things I shall share. The one that they were flagging, I brought it down because I don't want my page to be brought down. How sweet, how wonderful this wedding is. Then again, we heard that Davido them, they are still going to do top up for us. So I would expect that you people should be happy that I always preach here about legal marriage. Legal. It is important. Legal marriage. That I expect that senseless, many of you that are senseless should think, with all what Choma has gone through, and with my son, the kind of person he is. You all know that musician, God help all of us with them. You understand? It's my son, but I have to be truthful. And so if he decides that he wants to take our daughter to registry, legally bind them, and you only thing you could see there, you people, you couldn't see the joy with what Choma has gone through. You couldn't see the joy to think, for this boy to do this, that means pay. Yes. He doesn't now, we shouldn't now care. It's his money. How much he's going to spend. They ask us, it's a saying in Yoruba, Oni owa je sara, oni ojo yen wonu, se ti akara bi ti ororo to fe mu wa ni. Is it the beans or the palm oil they want to use to do beans akara cake, beans cake? Is it what is that the thing that is making you say that it's too early? Bas, I expect you people to think positive, to be happy. I'm disappointed. Oh, can you please stop this call on my this year? I'm coming, please. coming. I'm on a live chat, okay? I'm on a live chat. That's why I'm cutting it off. All right? So, it's shocking that, you know, that all these people, you are a lot of you. I see so many Yoruba, they are a disgrace. It's shocking that you are not looking at it from that aspect, because you don't wish even your own children well. If you are the type that you are a mother, when I say a deep thinker, you will know that all these things matters a lot. All these things matters a lot. All this, when many of you, they didn't marry you too. That's why, if you know the importance of what these children they are doing, you will understand that it is not about comparing them. It's about saying, yes, thank God that the man or the men that these children, our daughters have met, they value them. And these men too, we have trained our sons well to value women. Especially coming from the side that they are both musicians. That's what I thought you people will be seeing. Bombo people. Terrible. Iyabo should, if I am Iyabo on the Yoruba people side, they don't mean well for her. All these people that are doing it, they don't mean well for her. I'm telling you, they don't mean well for her. You cannot go and be looking for trouble, knowing fully well that it will all just be bouncing back on Iyabo. Person wey dey in house, it will all be bouncing back on Iyabo. Look at this case of Wunmi now. All the things, many of it, be sincere, is it supposed to be bouncing on Iyabo? Meanwhile, all the time that all these people were abusing people, doing all the terrible things, Iyabo was she, as in facially, were you people seeing her? Were you people seeing her? That's it, oh. Iyabo, I will advise you. All these people, they will sit down, they will be abusing Davido. They will be cursing Davido. They will be comparing Davido's wedding to Iyabo's daughter's wedding. Who does that? Who does that? Who made them why can't they, all these useless people, tell them to bring out their children? What is their children's achievement? This comparison that they have, their own children even achieve one, brought home a good man, like this our sons, June and Davido, or like this our daughters. Have their children bought anything expensive for their wives? Talkers of even them, they are losers. That's why they want to destroy good things. Anybody that brings discord, that doesn't want to give you peace of mind, does not love you. Doesn't love you. There's no crime in making sure that the person you love, you don't bring war to that person. If as they are doing about it now, Davido's people too, all of them now, they will now say, I will expect that it's all the useless ones. Because some of these useless fans, they are the same ones. They will be abusing Burna Boy. They will be abusing Whiskey. Why? Tell me. If people are fighting, let them fight. Then you will know. Majority of them. Look at one time Whiskey was abusing Davido.